Okay there, hello there, my name is Ravi Dalival, and we are doing a raid. Oh no, my name is not Ravi Dalival, I just made that up, but anyways, we're doing a raid, and yeah, Andrew Meacham, they can't hear you, so screw off. Yes, go ahead, don't give me your god apples. Screw your shit. Give me Andrew, I'm hacking, I'm gapple hitting. Get screwed, boy. I just wasted all your gapples, because I'm swagged. And why the hell is this here? Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there for this boy, or girl, or whoever's base this is, because I really don't know who this is. Anyways, let's get this started. Let's make a cannon. Just make it right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't need to rage against Stage and King, okay? Yeah, they can hear us sometimes. Oh crap. Andrew, can you go get some glass? Oh crap, I'm gonna fly. Go get some glass. A bunch. Well, I really only need like 4 or 6.
Okay, I have a whole stack.
Where'd you get a whole stack?
At spawn.
Why the hell do you haven't? Okay. Whatever. This movie's really weird. Why the hell would you have a stack in your E-chest? Okay. Whatever. I'm just gonna be using a simple cannon. Cause everybody's a scrub on freaking Xbox Factions. So why use a freaking OP cannon when I can just one-shot them, probably. I'm not sure if this is actually gonna work. Cause I have a slab, so you know. Oh yeah, we need to freaking put the button. That did nothing! Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Oh god.
That did nothing! Are you kidding me? This is supposed to launch pretty far.
You said this was bad.
What do you mean? Yeah, but still. I see other people use this cannon, and it looks pretty good. Ooh, it goes well for them. No, it's stacking. Well, I guess you could say. See, now it's stacked. I actually hope it's gonna actually stack instead of just going straight up. If it goes straight up, I'm gonna cry. No! Oh my god, we're scrubs at cannoning on freaking Xbox. The physics are so different. Yeah. Yo, do you have a creeper egg on you? Like, just one? I don't know. Get us some slabs too, cause I'm gonna make a barrel. There goes Andrew. Freaking left our party. Doesn't like us anymore. When it comes to Andrew, he probably doesn't rag out. Whatever. Let's get this shit in here. No, just give me like 2 or 3. I'm not gonna need much. I already got slabs, so don't even try. You failed me, Andrew. Or at least I think you did. Yeah. I'm just watching that podcast. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna alter this cannon a bit. Do you have a witherhead on you? Because I really want to get into this raid. Just get a witherhead. For God's sake. We can't cannon for crap. Like a good cannoner always says. Blow up your cannon so no one knows your design. This is pretty simple, so... Allahu Akbar! Oh God. I got some soul sand and a witherhead. It's most likely gonna be worth it. Andrew, where are you? Just TP to me, for God's sake. Okay, there. Set up the wither supplies. How many witherheads do you have?
I have 6. Well, 4 now.
6. I need 3. Give me 2.
You said you already have one, though.
I have one? Just give me one and I'll give it to you later. Do you have soul sand? Soul sand. I don't have soul sand. I said get soul sand also.
No, you said never mind. I have something here.
Oh my God. We should have been prepared for this. I need to get in there fast. Hurry, Andrew. Andrew, hurry up. Give me the soul sand quick. I thought you gave me 3, so I was gonna freak out. Just get it down really low so we can get in. And then leave it. Knock him down, knock him down. Andrew. Dude, he's already breaking in, I think. Please tell me you're broken. No, you didn't. Hit him. Oh, you hit me. Knock him down. Bow shots, bow shots, bow shots, bow shots. Andrew, jump from the top. Where are you? Where'd you go? He's floating down towards me. Oh, he's stuck in the tree. Hurry up. Oh, Andrew, hit him. I can't get a hit on this kid. Did we break it at all? Can't get out of here. Did we get it at all? Crap. Hit him out. Andrew, where'd he go? Angie, do you have a bow on you? Hello? Wait, that means you can't even really do anything. Basically, kinda. Give me a bow. I'll hold it. Exactly. Dude, Andrew, we can get in, Yeah, I get a creeper, Oh, we can get in. I'm just gonna do a quick clear lag, because that's the point. Give him, just pop it right here. We're in. Andrew, we're in. No, you can't. So what's the point? No, we need to take the stuff. I want to make sure there's some stuff in here. Oh, there's stuff. I'm just gonna transfer it out of here to my base. I'm just gonna head to the end portal.